You know, this white box that the project's sitting on, it has my Raspberry Pi in it, and the Raspberry Pi had this little USB dongle, touchpad, keyboard, all in one, and you know, the touchpad seems a little foobarred on it, so that doesn't work, but everything else works. And my buddy's like, oh hey, doesn't your application have some hotkeys? So I had the laser engraver set up to where it was, the computer was right here, and I would sit in the chair and I would design projects and yada yada. But then we realized, oh look, it has an HDMI output. So now the laptop is sitting there closed, and I've got this up on the screen, and you can see it feeding it G-code. This is Laser Gerbil, Laser GRBL. It's an excellent program. It's extremely user-friendly. I can't even enunciate the guy. It's like his handle is Arkypyta, ARKYPYTA. I don't know. He's from overseas, I think. Meaning not in the continental United States. God, I'm not even in the continental United States. Never mind. Jesus. Anywho's, so, yeah, obviously we put that on there, and the cool thing about this is that with these hotkeys and finding this dongle, I mean, you can literally, like, you know, pause the job. You can resume the job, and now this is going to stop in just a second. You can actually, I can actually jog the gantry around with this. I got to use 2 hands to do it because it's a shift, and I use like H for the home, and then Y I think is up, and then, or you know, north, and then east and south and west, and then we have our northeast and southeast enabled too. So it's like, oh yeah, and then for custom buttons you just do like Control 3, so turn it on, trace outline, and then we turn it back off. There we go. No leverage this way. And then since I want to execute the job, and I'm using all the keyboard shortcut and hotkeys, so I now have a completely remote controlled laser where I don't even have to sit at the computer anymore and crane my neck. This is like watching TV, and it's up on the bigger screen, and between the trackball mouse and the keyboard, I literally have a completely remote controlled laser. It's just a bitch now that I'm gonna have to get up off the frickin' sofa to focus it.